Getting annoyed with the Xaudio2 0 DLL error causing your game to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's fix the link between your engine and your system architecture. To start the walkthrough for Xaudio2 0, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This DLL file is the initial release of the Xaudio2 engine for Windows. It replaced DirectSound as the primary API for high-performance audio, offering better mixing and effects for modern PC gaming. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The Xaudio2 0 DLL is commonly required by games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime restores legacy DirectX runtime files, while updating your GPU drivers resolves OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA dependencies. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Xaudio2 0 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Using an incorrect or unverified version of the Xaudio2 0 DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to the Xaudio2 0. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for the Xaudio2 0, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.